Sakura, and she's playing Animal Jam. Let's go see what she's doing. She's at the very top. Okay, right there. Let's go see where she is. She's in that too.
Alright, nice.
And I see.
Nice. Oh, what?
I'll write it.
No,
Hi,
hey.
nice.
Nice. Not.
Oh, are you being mean?
No, because they said it to me. Hey, nice. Not outfit.
Oh my god.
Hi, nice. Not
Okay, guys.
outfit.
As you can see, I'm with the boy.
No, they said it to me.
I think I need to
They
reload.
said not good outfit. That's what they said.
Okay, so just I think this computer's playing out.
I'm going to someone's den.
Oh, Sakura.
Yeah.
Needs to be charged. Who cares? Like, I care that. Guys, let's see. See, look at this, mate. What the hell?
What?
I think I need to go up here because I've never done that before.
I want to try
If you didn't know, I am a bird, and I just got this animal because I have. What?
Where are you? Are you on
I
this?
found it!
Are you on this?
I found the secret one.
Are you on this?
Yes, I am.
Oh!
Guys, I actually found
Ow!
one. It's a rare clothing.
Hello.
Rick of rare clothing. Should I get it, guys? I'm
No.
gonna get it.
How do
I got it! I really like
How do I
this.
say hello to him?
Guys, I actually found the secret
How do
little
I say
thing.
hello?
Say hi right here. Say hi. Here. Helping a newbie. Okay, let's buy that. I'm wasting all my money, but we can make more, I'm pretty sure. I love this. But I can always come back. So, I want to come back. It's a gym one.
Oh my
god. Oh my god, we should have at the same time. Okay, let's go back to my den, and we're going to put this somewhere. And then press OK. If you didn't know. Oh my god, I have to reload again. There you are.
Hey.
Don't be mean.
I'm not. I'm saying nice outfit.
Nice outfit. Guys, I'm just helping Aurora with her thingy.
Hi, nice outfit.
So you go up to that. Because you need to reload. It's like playing up on you. Talk to
Is
them.
it glitching?
Talk to. Yeah, I think so. I think it's because we're recording and I don't think they can see it. I wonder if I go to my den now.
So right now, I'm trying to bloody
Wait,
bro.
I didn't get that.
What are you doing? You're like the
Oh,
Mickey.
that's so pretty.
Oh, cute. Look at these little guys.
Okay, I'm actually not going to be in this den because it's kind of...
Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that
I only
one.
have one because I spent
Oh,
all
that
my
one's
gems on
quite
it.
weird.
If you can't hear me, I'm here, so just watch me play. I like this ballet.
How do I want to show my face too.
We can swap places soon, okay?
So right now,
If you see Sakura in the next video, it'll be today. It's only just because I'm a good cousin.
yeah, I love her so much.
Aww.
Yeah.
Did you hear that? You're like, yes, I am. Yeah.
Whoa! Hello, dear. No.
I don't want that.
Whoa! I can fly without.
I'm giving away this, whatever it's
Look.
called.
I can go down.
All you need to do is subscribe and like this video and comment what your username, status, and what's your... Oh yeah, I already said that. Yeah, your username and status, which means like if you're non-member or not member. It's perfect. Let's just... No one else has this, okay? No.
Hey.
Guys, I just legit told you how to do it. I have a beta din, so it's full of betas. I have this weird accent going on, don't I?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this because this is kind of tiny. Right there.
Hey.
This music, though, I need to buy some more music. Yeah, let's go shopping. Let's try a No.
So, right now I'm trying to get the soap. Okay, be quiet. Can we start in this question?
You can get it if you like. I don't like that one. I think
Ethan's just gonna talk to you for a while.
Okay, guys, it's got 9 minutes, so I think I'm talking to her, Kara, so I'm gonna pause you.
Forget. I will give out some squishies.
No, you won't. They're not yours.
No,
I'm not posting that video. You want to start a new one?
Yay.
Hi guys, well here. I just figured a way to make Juicy score, and she's actually posting the video right now. Go like it. Do it.
What am I doing?
Do it. I'm just
What
kidding.
am I doing?
As you know, we are actually gonna... Oh, listen. This is the one. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my god! What am I doing?
Glitch. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is on my other account. Sorry. So my other account.
Look at this little
not-
guy. So squishy
Yeah.
and soft.
You put it there. Yeah. Stop it. Just stop. Yep, there you go.
So
I'm like, stop.
it's
Just
like
stop it.
it's like so
Or can you be a little bit quieter?
it's scented.
Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come for you. Yeah, I'm just kidding. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna. Oh, hello. I'm gonna.
Either.
Guys, I had to reload. Do you like my push-in t-shirt? It's so cute. If you didn't know, I have a push-in next to me. My push-in. I have a push-in phone case as well. I think someone's in my den. Okay, guys, we're gonna go back to that secret shop and do something.
Nice.
Okay, I'm going to. Oh my God!
Bro!
Is there a shop here?
I don't want you.
Shut up. Oh wait. What? I thought you could change it.
Not working.
Oh, that's kind of shiny.
Have you ever had the squishy skins? Like squishy ones?
Squishy what?
No, not the squishies. The squishies, the sticky squishies.
What are you talking about? Okay, so I think I didn't do my game properly. And I worked very hard on it before, as you know.
So right now I'm getting frustrated.
Okay. Okay, so suck. We're gonna have a fashion show, so we just need to
Can I please have some help?
get my beaters
I
everywhere.
need to delete this A.
No one knows where to get that from.
Delete this A. Delete this A. Delete this A. Please delete this A.
Remember, okay, I'm going to show you.
Nice.
Guys, I'm just going to show you Sakura how to work this. So, look at this. See, that's how you delete it. Okay, I'm just going to do this so you can see Sakura.
Nice.
Okay, guys. This is frustrating, okay?
Nice.
Okay, I just want to write, I don't want to write anything. Just want to put these plushies everywhere. Guys, comment us 3 songs each, and I will pick a lucky winner, and I'll use those songs in the video. Yes, I will. I'm just gonna move us out of the way. Okay, we're going back here. Oh, well, I need to move you anyway.
Nice outfit.
Okay, got it. Just ignore Sakura in the background. Sakura, say.
Right now,
I just told her to say that. If you watched the other video, you know what she said to me. Yeah, because I told her to. Because I was kind of rude and I kind of said to her that, you know? Yes, you do.
So right now,
I'm editing my show thingy. My accent changes.
outfit.
Why did it so lightly go?
This is outfit.
Who cares?
Nice.
Okay, so.
Now, by the way, outfit and
okay, so we're just gonna leave it like this. We're gonna go here. Okay.
In a different language.
No, it doesn't. So it's in Sakura language.
Yeah. I actually say that. It's in Sakura language. What's this, bro? What is this?
Everything's loaded. Wait, I don't even know what a load means. Okay, so I'm up here. I should go up here first, though. Let's go to Theory. Oh no, we haven't been here. Okay, guys, we're not actually gonna go to Jama yet because.
Nice.
Are you kidding me?
Outfit.
It really hurt, guys. Go follow me musically. It's official_Eva Amani. It's EA. Oh wait, sorry. EVA
Nice outfit.
ARMANI.
Nice outfit.
That's how you spell Eva Amani, but all together, no spaces. Official_A. OFFICA.
Nice outfit to one of this kangaroo right here. Is it a kangaroo? I don't know. Is it a kangaroo?
Yes, that's a koala.
Yeah, a koala. I said nice outfit. Well, outfit.
Okay, I had to reload again. It's just it's playing up because Cora's on my account and I'm on my account too.
Yes.
Don't want to go in Animal Jam anymore. And I want to show you my favorite song. I'm gonna post this.
If you can guess what this is.
I just smacked my thigh like ow.
Look how squishy this one is. You can guess what this one is? Comment down below and tell me when it is.
Oh my god.
Play. Yes. Oh, hello. Hello, Lou.
Oh, stupid ads.
What?
Comment if you like ads. This is called